Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking in and hanging out with me today. I have here an IMEthodbeauty Fantasy Chrome Powder unboxing, so let's get into the review and demo. I love my Amazon Prime. If you all have it, don't you love it? This is my first fantasy nail powder from IMEthodbeauty, and they gave me this little card. It's 10 IMethod for a 10% code if you want this powder. So I am so excited because, like I said, it's my first chrome powder and I always see these nails on Instagram. So I was like, I have to try it out. And I love that you can not only use it with just black nail polish, but also different color to get a different kind of chrome effect. So I will be using Kiara Sky's gels and then the one black nail as a black stamping polish. So let's get into it. Look at that beautiful chrome powder. I instantly see it right as I pull off the Seal Protect, which I love that they have. And let's get onto the black nail. I assume that it'll glide on like butter, but I'm finding that you really have to rub it into the nail to get the chrome effect. However, I did prep this black nail with a clear base coat, and then I went in with the Black Queen nail polish. Let that dry, of course. So maybe it is the polish and not the chrome. I will find out once we move to the gel colors. But it is still going on there. It is a really pretty chrome. There it is. It smooths on like butter with the gel. It just glides right on. It had to have been the Queen polish because these Kiara Sky gels is catching that powder. And I love how it is making the colors change. Oh, I love this chrome powder. For my gel, it totally just revamped the whole color. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Ooh, it must be the gel's tacky layer after you cure the color that's making the powder stick to it so easily. I am loving the hues that I see coming from this chrome powder. It's like a rainbow effect. I see purples and blues and like gold champagne color. It's so gorgeous. So I'm going to go back to the black nail and see if we can cover that up a little bit more because these gel polishes are really good with the chrome powder. So let's see. Yes, so like I said, if you keep buffing in the powder, it will stick, but unlike the gel, you really have to work in the powder on this nail polish, whereas the gel, it just glides on like butter. But that could be Queen's stamping polish. But it's working, it just needs a little bit more arm power. Look at that chrome over the black. I love it. I have never experienced a chrome nail, to be honest. I've never had a chrome set manicure. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to do my nails black and then put the chrome over the black because that is gorgeous. Look what happened, you guys. Went in for a clear top coat and it wiped the chrome powder off. So I'm going to put a gel top coat on the gels, cure that for 30 seconds, and come back with a brand new black nail to redo the chrome powder. This time I am not prepping the black nail with a base. I just put the polish and look, glides on. It had to have been the clear base that I put on prior to the black polish that was not dry or was just not catching the powder, because just nail polish catches this chrome powder. So now I'm going to top it with a gel top coat. And here we have the results, you all. Look at the shimmers and the greens. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The black nail is beautiful. The chrome really comes to life with black. But with different colors, it also gives it a chrome effect. So this powder is very universal, and you know me, I did some thermal changing polishes. So this is what the chrome looks like when my gel polishes change color. My favorite is still the black. Let me know what you guys think of the chrome powder, which one is your favorite, and let me know if you guys have this powder. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate that, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Be safe. Bye.